Asunskehtiö Mikon Salpa.
Yeah, today it's the 9th of September 2021. We have it's Laajametsänkuja. Red Skogsstigen 6 staircase A. We're also gonna go to the staircase B here, and hopefully we will also get to the staircases D and E here as soon as possible. We have the staircases C and F from the last time we were here. It was built in early 1971. It's around 50 years old this year. In 2021, we inspected in 2023. The same number is H25168. Let's ride it. It is faster. Amazing. With MPN 6 on this side. And then early MPN 8 on the staircases D, E and F.
Yeah.
Well, and of course the codes are completely impossible here, but we're still doing it. And right now, so the door to the staircase B is open. We can go there soon.
Yeah.
Then we have all the MPN 6 ones here. Then there's just the D and E left.
Yeah.
Let's take a second silent ride.
Spektit paikkivalaiset. Meidän temppaa Suomessa seuraan.
Also, I forgot to mention that this is in Martinlaakso, modernized and Vantaa, Western Vantaa, in the Helsinki sports region, also in Finland. Lake city occupied light.
That's